Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to cover something that almost every developer faces while working with APIs and frontend. If you have ever seen the CORS policy error in your browser, this video is for you. So we talk about what is CORS. CORS is a security feature implemented by browser to control how resources are requested from a different domain. For example, you have an Angular application which is hosted on localhost 4200 and it's calling API which is hosted on localhost 5001. So by default, browser block this request if the server doesn't explicitly allow them. So both are project hosted in a different domain, then you get this error. Let's open a project and try to fix this issue. So I open my VS Code and run the application. So before that, just to add one more point for those who have just joined, please make sure to check out my previous video where I created the product API. It will give you the necessary background before continuing the session. So I already created the API. So just running this. Okay, and I open the Angular application too. So cd api.net run, and I open the Postman where we test our API after the running successfully. So our project is run successfully. It is hosted on localhost 5001. So go to the Postman and check it is working or not. So our products API is working fine. We have three products. Okay, and now next we go uh, Angular application. Okay, now open an app.ts. Here we call our endpoint private HTTP post. Oh, I put HTTP client, CLI client. Sorry, my mistake. Inject HTTP client, and why is going to be the error and cannot find HTTP client. Let me check. Go to there, and you need to also import some package. What is the package name? I think provider provide. Why provide? Where is the HTTP client? Yeah, that's the one. HTTP client, and then after you need to inject in our config. So I will come later in this point what I did, and right now just my focus on course, and go to app set, and then now it should work. Now it's working, and now I create a constructor, and here the constructor I call my endpoint, and our endpoint should be the same our API, which is hosted on 5001, and the product and the API product. Okay, save this and run this. Come on. So our Angular application running on localhost 4200, and now our API hosted on 5001. So I run my application and just click on this link, press a control and click. It will open this new window, and here our controller. I mean, sorry, here our output. So go to inspect and check what I get. So you will see we get the course issue. So as I told you that by default, browser block requests if the server doesn't explicitly allow them. So our server is the localhost 5001, and now we try to fix this course and how we fix it. Now we go to again our API and here go to program.cs file, and just right now we stop our application and then close this. Now next, where we add the course. So we add our build, or you can add the course mm, middleware. So app.use course and policy. We create a policy actually. Policy allow headers, allow method, allow any origin. I would say allow any, not any. I will specify there. Allow with region. There is a one method. Dot allow allow not dot with headers with origin and localhost not 3000 4200. So you need to write this line and save, and then again open a terminal and run your application. Oh, sorry, cdapi.net run. Okay. So after that, again we go and refresh our page. So go to our page, okay, and just wait for the running. So it's running and go to page and refresh. Now you see the error is gone and we got the result. We have a three products, one, two, and we fixed the course issue. Yeah, great, perfect work. So that's how you handle course in .NET Core when working with Angular or any front-end app. If you missed my previous video on login and registration with the clean architecture, check it out. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more tutorial. Also connect with me on LinkedIn, link in the description.